What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a custom product page on Elementor on WordPress. So let's get right to it. First of all, here as you can see I have my WordPress dashboard, and the first thing you need to do is to install the Elementor web page builder on your WordPress. As you can see here from this menu, on the main menu on the left, I have Elementor already installed. If you don't have it, simply go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and it'll open the plugins store. Just search for Elementor. Okay, and this is the one, Elementor website builder by elementor.com. Click on install, then activate, and it should be activated. And once it does, you'll see here the Elementor button on the main panel or the main menu. And if you go through it and stop over it, you'll see here the settings, the tools, the info, and all the things that you want to edit. And to create a page and edit it with Elementor, or a product page and edit it with Elementor, simply go to the top, click on new, or hover over new here. The menu will appear, so you can create new post, media, page, landing page, template, and others. Here we want to select or create a product page, so we will click on page. And here, if a pop-up appears, simply close it, and you want to click here on edit with Elementor. It'll open up the Elementor editor, and you can edit the page with Elementor. Here is the Elementor editor loading, and here it opens up the Elementor editor, and here is the title of the page. Now you want to add elements to create your custom or create your product page. Now add a heading as a title. Okay, add it here. And let's type in basic hoodie. Let's say the product that we want to create the page for is a hoodie. And here you can highlight the text. You can make it bold, italic, or underlined. Edit the style. So the alignment, align it to the center. The text color, let's make it like a dark blue one. Okay. And the typography, you can edit the font itself, or the size. Let's add a font, select another font. Okay, this is better. Increase the size. Okay, the weight, transform, style, and so on. Now here you can go to advanced to select advanced settings such as margins, align self and position, and so on. Now you can also add a link here. So this is where you can create the page and make it work, make it like a real product page. You can add a link here. Let's say you have a product on your WooCommerce page, your WooCommerce e-commerce store, which is the e-commerce plugin for Wix, or you have a product on another e-commerce platform such as Shopify. You can add the link of the product here, so that when the customer clicks on this text, the basic hoodie, they will be redirected to the page where they can buy it. Now let's go back. Okay, and now let's add an image here for the product. Okay, an image. I'm just creating a pretty basic, simple product page, and I will show you next how to make it customize it to make it more advanced. Now here, click on the image, click choose image, select files, and you can upload a file from your computer for the product. Let's for example upload this one. Okay, it's uploading, and you can add a title, caption, description, and you can add a file URL also if you want to. Now let's select it, and here the image will appear. Okay, looking great. You can add captions, and you can also add a link to a media file, or add a custom URL for the product page itself, or the add to cart button, or the buy now, or something like that, to your e-commerce store. Now you can also drag the elements and rearrange them, so add the image above or below the text. And you can also add here, click on the plus icon to add elements and edit the layout. Here, let's choose this layout, for example. Okay, and here we have 3 elements that we can add. Let's delete this one. Here you have 3 elements. Let's add 3 more images here. So a product page where they can have multiple images for the same product. Let's add one here. Choose image. I'll just upload random images from my computer. Okay, upload files. Let's upload a file. Let's upload this random image. Okay, once it's uploading, click on select and it'll be added here. Now let's add another image to this section right here. Click here on the plus and add an image, or let's actually add a video here. So let's make this section as a video for the product, and here you can add the source as YouTube and enter the YouTube video link right here. If you are uploaded like a video, YouTube video of the product showcasing the product or using it, you can do so. Or you can also choose Vimeo, Dailymotion, WordPress, or self-hosted, so you can upload your own videos from your computer or from an external URL if you want to. And you can also even like select the start time and end time and the video options to autoplay, to mute, to loop, and to show the player controls, or add a download button so that the client can download the video. And you can also add a poster and so on. And for the third one, you can add a button. So let's add a button. And the button here says click here. Let's edit the text. Okay. Let's say buy now. And add a link here. This link will be add the link to the buy now button on your Shopify store or on your WooCommerce store. And you can upload as SVG file or icon library. Now you can edit the style. Let's align it to the center. The text color, let's make it black. And for the background color, let's create the background color here. Instead of a gradient, you have the option of a gradient and a classic background color. And in the classic here, click on the color, make it like a yellow color. Actually, let's make it a darker, like golden color. And you can edit also the radius and stuff like that. Now you can go ahead and add as many elements as you want to. And for each element, you can click on it, you can edit it. And for the image, let's edit the image. If you want to, click on this pencil icon. It'll open up the image editing options. You can choose the image resolution. You can add a caption, add a link to each individual image. And for each one, you can like rearrange them and edit the layout as you want to. Let's get them back as they were. Okay, and you can also duplicate elements and get them outside. So let's add a container right here at the bottom as they were. And you can also resize and scale the elements and move the entire container of the three elements up and down and delete it. And you can also duplicate it if you want to, or add a container to add widgets, files, and edit with AI. So that's basically it. Once you are happy, here you can go ahead and view the page here in the preview change, and you can show how it will look like on a computer, mobile phone, and so on. And once you are ready, you can publish your product website. So that's how easy it is to create and edit a product page on Elementor on WordPress.